Welcome to our session on focus. Focus is something we all hear we must do during meditation. They aren't wrong, but sometimes we misunderstand how strongly we focus. Most of the time, we push ourselves into focusing too strongly and thinking that focus should feel stressful. The focus that we use is light and gentle. While it is light, it is actually quite precise. But before we get that deep focus, first we have a light and gentle focus, similar to watching TV. We could be staring at that box for hours, not moving a muscle. We want that same kind of focus, but instead of looking outward, we look inward. So for today, let us focus gently at a point on our body, or any point that feels comfortable to you, whether it be in front of you, around you, or somewhere on or inside your body. Let's make that point or place be your focus point for today. So when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, breathing in the clean, calm air, and breathing out any thoughts or worries you may have. Gently place your mind at your chosen point of focus with a soft touch, using no effort at all. Let go of any thoughts and worries and allow your mind to come to a standstill. Don't worry about any lingering thoughts that may arise in your mind. Simply avoid entertaining them and allow them to fade on their own. Just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath, and slowly and gently coming back. You don't need to rush, don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now, now that we have finished our meditation. Being able to focus on a particular point on the body is one of the cornerstones of meditation. But understand that the focus used in meditation is a gentle and relaxed focus, allowing your mind to come to a standstill on its own, rather than forcing it to a standstill. Now that you have the basics of focus in meditation, we can learn about additional techniques to help keep your mind clear and focused through meditation. So join us for our next session, the visualization technique.